Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Adventures with the Alphabet Crew. Subscribe and like this video so you never miss an awesome adventure. Today, we are visiting a farm. Oh, I love visiting the farm. My favorite part about visiting the farm is seeing all of the farm animals. Are you ready to go see some farm animal friends? Let's go! Look at the cat! On the farm, there lives a cat. Cat starts with the letter C. My friends, look at the cows. What sound does a cow make? Moo. A cow lives on the farm. Cow starts with the letter C. Do you hear that sound? It's sheep. Let's get a little closer so we can see its wool. Wow, look at that. There are sheep on the farm. Sheep starts with the letter S. Look how cute the pigs are! Hi! Hello, piggies! On the farm, there lives a pig. Pig starts with the letter P. My friends, it's a rooster and hen. I wonder if there are chicks nearby. There they are. There is a rooster, hen, and chicks on the farm. Wow! Look at all of the horses. What sound does a horse make? Neigh! Oh, look over there. There are more horses. Some are even in the pond. A horse lives on the farm. Horse starts with the letter H. Look at the ducks. Oh, and over there, look at the ducklings. Baby ducks are called ducklings. A duck and ducklings live on the farm. Do you hear that sound? It's a dog! Oh, hi! Come here! Look over there! Puppies! Oh, look how cute! On the farm, there lives a dog and puppies. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed our visit to the farm. Now it's time to say bye-bye. Oh, wait! Before you go, be sure to watch the Alphabet Crew Read Aloud. It's the alphabet book written by me.
Yeah, boy!
The link is in the description. Bye-bye!